Hello, my name is Allison Ottensmeyer. I just got married in June, so technically my name is Allison Clanton, but I haven't gotten everything switched over at Fort Hays, so I go by Allison Ottensmeyer. Something interesting about myself is that my family raises and shows cattle. So right now we are in calving season. So after I get done at school, I go help in the barn with all the cattle. I am currently a second grade teacher at Glenwood Ridge Elementary, which is in the Basehor-Linwood School District. Basehor is close to Legends in the Kansas City area. This is my first year here. Previously, I taught kindergarten in Wamego for 4 years, but after my husband and I got married, we decided that it was time to move back to be closer to family. Some of my long-term goals would be that I would like to be an administrator in an elementary setting. If I could find a primary building, being K2, I think that I would enjoy that. I'm actually getting ready to head back to the kindergarten classroom next school year. A position opened up, and I'm excited to get back to kindergarten. Some of my short-term goals would be to finish up my master's classes with Fort Hays so that I can graduate hopefully next fall and get everything rolling that way. I hope to learn more about supporting teachers in curriculum design and just supporting the changes and how to make it clear that we have to make sure that our curriculum is up to date and that we're serving our students through our curriculum. So just gaining how all that process works as an administrator and how I can support my future teachers with the whole process. But I'm excited to get started.